Hello and welcome back to the Our Technic YouTube video channel. We're going to do a quick video today to show you how to adjust a PRV. Obviously there's two ways of doing this. There's a correct way and a wrong way. So we'll show you both of them. Hopefully this will give you an idea how to adjust a PRV. So first of all we've got a 533H series, which obviously will show you how to adjust this. The top bit is where you adjust it. It's got a little screw on the top. So obviously you can adjust that and it'll change the pressures for you. Right, so we're going to show you quickly how to adjust the PRV. Now obviously we're going to show you personally how to do this statically, which is actually incorrect, and I'll show you the reasoning why. So at the moment you can see gauge is roughly reading about 4.5. Okay, you can see it's slowly going down whilst I'm adjusting. So you think, yep, you're doing a great job. I'm adjusting this to about 4 bar, okay? So obviously when you open up the tap, it'll tell you a slightly different story. As you can see, roughly sitting at about 3 to 4, well 3 to 2. Right, so what we're going to show you now is how to adjust the PRV dynamically, which is the correct way. So first of all, you obviously find the screw on the top of the PRV, so you can adjust it. Okay, slightly crack the tap, and obviously what I'm going to do when I've slightly cracked the tap is I'm going to adjust the screw here so we can get it down to generally set of 3 bar, because that's what most people have the PRV set to. So first of all I'm going to crack the tap. Obviously you can see the gauge going down. Okay, we've hit roughly 3 bar. Okay, so when we open this now, because we've adjusted this dynamically, this should now be at 3 bar, as you'll be able to see. Right, so obviously now you've got your PRV installed, you're going to want to look after the PRV. So commissioning is a good start. Okay, so we've kind of showed you how to commission a PRV by setting it. Obviously, as you can see on this one, it's got a gauge port, so you can literally put a gauge in there and you can set it by that there. Maintenance side of things, basically the only time really we ever want to look in a PRV is if you're noticing maybe a drop in flow or pressure in your system, because what can happen is sometimes, obviously it depends how dirty the system is or dirty the water that's coming in. If you haven't got a strainer upstream of the PRV, which really you should have because that's good practice, what you've got inside here is a cartridge, but the cartridge is protected by an integral strainer. It's not acting as a primary strainer, it's just acting as something that protects the actual cartridge and the PRV. So if you ever notice like a low flow, generally the best thing to do would be to take the head off, remove the cartridge, have a look at the strainer, give it a wash as well. And also, what you may find if there is dirt or debris in there, what you might find is that the actual seat itself doesn't seat correctly, so then you get fluctuations in pressure because it's not quite seating, making the static control. So you might notice there's a bit of up and down in your pressures at certain times of day. So again, if you do notice that, it's a good thing to get the actual cartridge out, give it a wash, give it an inspection, and then put it back together, reseat, and it should work absolutely fine. Thank you for watching the video. Obviously if you enjoyed it, if you want to like and subscribe, you can watch more on the channel.